It looks simple, just a quick lane change, but in traffic, one rush decision can lead to a sideswipe, a rear-end collision or something far worse. Most roadway crashes don't happen at intersections. They happen when drivers change lanes without enough space, time, or awareness. Welcome to the Driving Safety, Changing Lanes online training course by OSHA Outreach Courses, a short practical course designed to help drivers make safer lane changes, merges, and passing decisions. In just 14 minutes, this course builds essential awareness that protects drivers, passengers, vehicles, and careers. Inside this course, you'll learn how to move through traffic safely without guesswork. You'll gain insight into why maintaining space around your vehicle matters, how blind zones create risk, and how proper mirror use and signaling give you control before you move. The course explains how safe lane changes depend on timing, visibility, and communication, not speed or pressure. You'll also explore how weather, traffic flow, and unpredictable drivers affect your ability to change lanes safely. You'll learn what to watch for when others are merging or passing, and how defensive choices reduce close calls and prevent collisions. Unsafe lane changes happen every day and they're completely preventable. This course helps you reduce sideswipe and merging collisions, improve awareness of blind zones, protect your license and driving record, lower accident-related costs and downtime, drive with confidence in busy traffic. Better lane decisions mean safer roads for everyone. Once you complete the course, you'll receive your certificate of completion, showing your commitment to safe driving practices and professional responsibility. And because the course is only 14 minutes, it's easy to complete, with immediate real-world impact. Improve lane-changing safety, reduce collision risks, and protect your driving record with fast, effective, OSHA-aligned defensive driving training. To enroll now, simply click the link in the description and sign up for the course.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.